this is it. This is uncovering all that kind of jargon and all the kind of stuff that people say, and it's like, I don't really understand what you're talking about. This is it. This makes everything make sense. The Singers Advice Academy is a 3-month vocal intensive training system. You're going to learn how to sing with power, without the strain, without the push, without the tiredness, and how to do this healthily so you're not going to damage your voice. The Academy is for singers who want to learn how to use their vocal mechanism, that truly want to be their best, that want the most healthy and reliable voice possible. For singers that want more control and choice over how they sound, that want less tension and strain. And for singers that are always open to learning more. If you want to find out more, click the link below. Get signed up to one of the webinars, and I will see you very, very soon at Singers Advice.